ma akwa baba dwumadi so na ye kai wo se ye no etna efri sabre kopem se ebebo enwure no nsia na fe ye de kasebo aso so kasebo no so de onim se papa no aha e na wo gi no enti na tie watwa mu nyina ne se ese oma o radio no koso a eda Adom 106.3 FM ede kwa so ate ase se de be ne pani nyina no onsa ebe kan nyina e wa ha muni abema Jerry Justice na moto menkan wie na team nyina so oma e krado Papa Bills wa ha African wa ha James Town Jeko so ya wado ho a chese o se Facebook no edem it make us say ubehume say abrantepa kama mete ho na midwagumu ani ade a what ya say na enche bia no me share roll call na say on Facebook na ahwe adofo mo adwene ewie Ofie Kwanso media so tipacho unya embonwura mu on Facebook aborwam sisi a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook we are live na also join here na yenyina yenhwemum yenkoye nimu a you know what I'm saying I do believe say weekend no bibia echo ye kama edema ebia na won so de wo hwe nimu no onsa antimi anka ba ni nyina mu no yen fast da me rade esa se eye na dom arakwa na empu yeguso ewo eye enkom na yeguso a yegu humye kakra yes etide ye ni eda kwan no se yensan kan empu na ese ne fata se yekoso ade asedama onunkuto that's what it is na me yero kon we ya pena na me de ene videos of our time twaso and that video na me you know a dangerous video pa say your wa say yetimi ya hwe yi na yehu say enei nipa bone wo wiase say da ya meka no nipa bone e wo wiase eti o ho na wa hwe abon ho ban wa make sure say baby a wo bibia is secured kama pa cause nipa ban enye ene nipa ni bi won so aya hu adwen dom tim se den kra na wo mo agi o na nu ye woman bi cheze me mpese mebo ba bi o ye adwuma asemu ya make tema na waso ya hemachi ekwa adwuma na boys akwa attack no e wo kwan so grown up woman in fact mo de ne ho ade na mo pese mo gi a say ni phone na ni sike kura no mo de mo be chichire no kura na because guys mo e dan ho ahoden che no na mo be gi ne niam na mo gi na manakwa munya ne man nkwe but you attack the woman mo the knife twitwa no che say nipa mo biem these days all because of kakra wo page afini nche han ma chininti you as say udu ononko wu say why the second bie no church say prepare no ekase e dia na woje whatever it is that you want to take from the woman, can't you just take it without hurting her? As young guys obi mame oda mo ba chichire na jiska no kra na won ho ana ni phone kra na mo na moji kra munyina mo oh Charlie some way say yina yama yani eda opa na ye ya hwe yi especially omo a sorry ahemachi konwuma so wan ye ne sanso wan kwa ma wonidi oh but say ebe na say bia nkrofo ofie na nipa ba ko mienu betimi akogyan kra to say ebe foka ye better as say ye shase ne boy because nipa bone for dos this time nipa bone for dos pa wa krafia asori ahemachi say wo kwadwuma ba na emranti aba be tware wo kwantinfi attack we jo ho nema ye ngidi kura nko keke san de sika bie twitwa sa what is this ode enche ebebowura ene video no but as usual yenye quick roll call on Facebook na ye hwe omo alande ho no na so be roll call no pek Nafi when e tugum say ya, when e tugum say ya. Interesting. Eric Opaimensa, I see you. The message you know. Pastor Mario. Say on also Alan Deo and Yauvi Asuga. Hope I got your name right. On also message now echo. You see, surprise me. So one shall say kind comments now. With a message you be stable. You go. But when you shall say so kind pe now if na asa de obi na ahye dana o scroll ya de gidi Victoria Brock, I see you. Manuel Ohineba K Dogbo. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. And I feel Hobby Blinks. On also say hello. Nana Ama Amponsa. On also say hello. Faustina Yamfo. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Welcome back. And Piaga. It didn't really feel Piaga. I say glory be to God. I feel trust me a queen will be more. Munya wotre na de ne yirodo. Tommy 1GH. Oh, and also call. We all say good day, bro. I see you. Oh. Pastor Mario once again say Ofie Kwanso. It's another brighter day. Oh, they are kana ira. Yao Dakwa. I see you. Edwin Emisa Painter. Or say I'm watching from Coconut Junction, Mampubi, Accra. And I feel so Maxwell Mate. I say good afternoon. I take up. Evelyn Daddy. Nancy Adu. I say good afternoon, everyone. Kise Clement. I say we pass afternoon. We pass afternoon. We are still afternoon. Oh. Inagumwa. Lydia Tiwa. I also say good afternoon, Jerry. Mary Duhine. I also say Adom FM you are. Oh, they are kind of call. African. Hey, if I try to bet me I join you live on Facebook to see I Chebiano ya bogum. Now videos of our time here that bro. By fire as I can say ma obasima see you. We a special seal and AGI and Ghana Standards Authority akabom diaba. Na it is ask you way above food products how do be home market. It's your bar so could drum now cut off food products. I actually there war a obasima seal no. A chest of South food products no 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Ye here the many peduepa. A yet the mobile will between especially in animal may. So choose obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. I feel young comfort floral disposable handkerchief amount. Used to be. Na M1 now so ho ban bone chese ho ahote no entimi nkosoro. Ninyana say we ne better than cloth handkerchief. It is say bi a wo horo nsa kakra na pese paper. Ififi ato na pese ode paper. Why hintin na wabo wako ho. Na pese ode paper no ho ne ohunum ni de kenka ho no. Floral disposable handkerchief. We ya no ato atwe entitem bia na ho ate kama pa. We no so ya no chese kokrowa kama. Into a fit away your pocket and now purse another purse cry. And that's our bag. Very easy cry. So I say, now what they saying. Number soon yet they are available baby. Do drop pound of Delta Paper Meal Limited on 0243 033 033. I feel dominion about powder. And also about modern amount sakabia. A boama build a strong immune system. Assign and normalize your blood pressure nama. I feel what heart or kidney related problems to a free or Ubu or you market to a biano bread. There be now complaining the one million ya. Dominion about powder. I bet boy I was a quanosona a saw how in Nadia fuel. Struggling diabetes there and can't cry. I bet content him now. Ubu an spiny. It moves me to tuna near the idea. Dominion about powder. A bit work at the moon. Obenya biato war pharmacy shops do do na mu. O man for wo su mu de mani che tonic pharmacy bi ho. So many phone calls Zineda na say Nagiza pharmacy. And afi aguna so edru nko nyametias herbal. Akwetia phone call health as well. Kede enko hyper pharmacy. Enye sa hwehwe Dominion about center cha kwan won kokko. Obetimi afre 0543 158 195 and afi 020 429-6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Now by kind courtesy, Infinix Hot 10T. For you, Omodia Bay. On Madame Manti, yeah, the videos of our time, bro. Omodia answer Obeto, the latest Infinix Hot 10T. Now, what you mean, your free gift? You get to say a crossbody bag, a face sports bottle, Max and a chedi pina. You didn't be count the amount just by buying the phone keke. Obe just a chedi winner. Me patch Infinix Hot 10T for 4 crab baby boom. Phone no air correct pa. It was 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display. I just say no. So boy a friend say video near the ade was so and now bo game was so. A ko ye keke pa heavy pa. And it craft 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Now it was Helio G70 gaming CPU. It's no ma obo game was so in breaky very fast and so come apart at the mouth. Bomodian saw better the new Infinix Hot 10T. Phone come 4 gig RAM, 64 gig ROM. Only 788 Ghana cedis. And sesa o perfume papa o boka bebrisa oh we boko no agination kude bibia fun bia ye bi etimi bi and even better oh how cry and say Mansan count the SCC and there are more deals coming from Infinix. Yeah, also cyber me account there. If you need any Infinix accredited shop nationwide, now also with me at all there. Infinix, the future is now. Okay, I feel young bon rem Facebook no so unyamba ho there we are elite bomodia say ubetwa tum tentem na yetimi ahwe ene videos of our time ye said the ya na me ye no say me twamfoni ni kirewo said the be ya wo a wuti already no so no ubehu enkomo no na wate ase ye wate ase me bowura wa adwemu antu dia na ma me ho kwan na mawura adwenu mu na batimi a cheche na manani so kakra tie no sa me wi no video no hwe so na say the wahwe no but say be na obeti ase ye pa no utimi bowura mu Facebook no no wow bowura mu ho dia ene wow sha obeti ase ye ti ba bibia wo bia no join me now on Facebook bra Facebook no so sisia na wankasa ebehwe video no na watimi ehunu said the idea no esie kwefa na madika aka na dia ya metaka say videos of our time na ye no enye say bia sometimes funny videos ne ade ye be yi ne ahwe ne asre ne ade akeka but ye yi say ye betimi dia ahwe na enema bia sese yetimi sua bibi free mu no yetimi sua ade free mu ti say the fire bomb ya ho ban bo ho ne ade a ne ama ye ni ada ona de ase yesua omu the yes, but ni nyina mu no so kra no we need to learn something from it. And the video na ye ba be ya kire no ha dwen ase enye nyame na fa afia anka obi ehwere ne nkwa obi akokora ya wani edu ni pani fie so on na bre wate ba bi dwendwen mo kakra na owudini agbawura fie ho ede ahoma ekohye no kon akokunu hwe enye nipa na mo na na papa. Sometimes you can see somebody onipa no is neatly dressed, you know, well dressed, but no abodam on in trim as no nam. Because this video I am told to say onipa kona obeye sana nko obedi ewu no wa touch kakra on adwim but to shatade all right and hon to say obodam for say krumu ana ya na fini ntino abodam for no bodam sa uhu na no say you abodam but abrochire obu a otimi so abodam for pa but say onyang news a level na wa pa no na e no mo so de wa pa no nya de o meji ara manane nam krum sa bon bobu ana adwin bom na odi titifie no nanam wa touch it papa so san krofo na wa hwe ya da ko ni gira no de sika wo ye mu akun no because baby adwin na chimu ahwe no but be hunu no wa kama na wo video na akokrai otine petrol kakra chese wote wa ze backyard a odwendwen ho kakra a relax it na ne wife so ewo in and around afede preocupa akwayi abawura ho obowura ho atuma bia o bi say e den wa fa wo de aso papa no niti e de atwe no na ba bi ote no pillar na ho no po na ho no o de abomu a chese o she papa na konfo o ku papa nti papa ne struggle with him but why helpless because adna nya chichire ne kon wi a chese o kunu. Luckily enough, and the wife came from the room no Ofie no opie no eba outside no tin wife ni pie yo hu say owudi ni de ade na hye ne kunu no kom a wo kunu no and no start here so to niam de abon no to niam de abon no distract na and nam so ma akwa no elusu focus and papa ntimi gene hu fi ade no and on ne yiri ni na start here so mo attack no nti ho na third person bi so ti dede no so bam and then 3 against 1 di gu akwa so you was trying to fight them gidi sa hwe ya fe do mbe overpower no na otimi eyi fi mu a odwane hwe video no na ye wo ho a yen hwe ye hu yi menye wadwen say wo fie especially if you live in a place where shedanye well fenced sa secured sa ne ade ya bia obi betimi afa fichire ba bia bowura ofie a ese ehwe yi se dem di kan no ene nipa bone for doso etu le yen hwe video no ne hwe the way this family almost struggle here with akoyi anadwen ati ne hwe se de enema esi eko fire and as you watch no now your friend is saying the sese won so asuahu a betimi anya de afimu bia no won so wafa e de afimu timpa hwe video no na afi won so esua bibi kakra efa film na yen hwe ne mo ho ban yi because like I keep saying the pabone for adoso na wan hwe ho yi a na obi amade wi ayo wo de hwe ba bia red arrow no one in the video no e ho na akwa ne fi ba hwe ti papa ne tewa he e na ode at ana ode ntoma no share papa no kon at once e twen no ode ne ball sa pila na e ho no so it ni ne yere ni pie fi o hu sa de ne koso ape no start here say o attack no look at that etiene akonwa no mo ato we no benya no mo ato chese gidi sa hwe sa antowe na maame ne yiri nani eden pa maame ne mi se maame ne papa ne yiri no nani eden pa enye sa pa de a o ankete faso anka papa no mo kunu because the other guy no cry na wo hwe video na I say obe support no cry no ono cry utimi say one akwa ba ko na utimi say o support no and omo ye sa de o de hwe red arrow hwe ba bia we o ba no onante boko and o de ane hye papa no ko no twen no de ball eduan mu at once okunu and now show omo compound na utimi say enye yen ha ya na ya to wall fire down za bruchi de ya na muntan ye sa de ye ni ade a oh itino o sneaky ra wa ne say o sha ase a wo ye de o ye mama yen ya hwe yi uti ho a ma wani na ho so say bibia betimi asi because nipa nye ade ekura ni nkutimi de bo maame na papa ni timu a anke no ano no anke eden anke wadi o nso nkunim a cheze say ade na oba be wia o and oba be wia ade ekura ena na mekan woman ikesi esi oteman I mean o ji onipa no ho ade ekura agi no ho ade no kwe na obe pra no hwe de we oyi say ade say ade na oba be wia and you train na tete omo when they are not around and come and take whatever you want to take it but to take his life I just think okun ni wie ya na then what nipa nye timomi anya hwe yi abreni na say yetimi ma yani da ho because nipa nye yankan for Phoenix Insurance efa amount hye so say insurance ya de a eye na imo no aya na say o kwa utue sika na na ene ho bibio but asem to a na hu say insurance eso on fa so papa but insurance companies no so adorso say the radio stations na adorso no sa ibi papa bi nye papa na insurance company ba ko betimi account for more we Phoenix Insurance chese hono de ne botaya ne say oboa na so business no etimi atumpon entempentempa na wa hye obo say de tie bia no you rise again when disaster strikes and unti bra Phoenix Insurance is as say you tua claims no entempentempa na bibia koyi e de amount your insurance policies no dorso your fire your motor your accident marine engineering and afin so bonds eka brana beto insurance policy we enchen ne dey kra be bia wo bia kra no obetimi ne ya business and one say obe dial short code *389*79* that's *389*79 and one no e be sort na bibia so etimi akoye yes out there friend 0302 246 319 and 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom and no share and no. This year preocupe Francisca said many are mad but few are naked and they are no crazy. Some of them are neatly dressed but I just want to touch them and see okay. The daughters of glorious Jesus. Adidie. Come on. And you will beat dread. Mama Cynthia. Mama Monica. Mama Edna. Mommy and Gwen. Shoba. Shoba. A happy birthday going out to Ibrahim Mohammed Awar of Roshan Montessori School. Oh, yeah, from 2. Chrysolite. As you turn 14 today, may your B-day be the beginning of new and wonderful things, and may you stay blessed, happy and healthy as well. May Allah bless your new age. And if there is anything I am proud of, it is having you as a son. Love from your mom. Wherever green anyway. Oh boy. Please, today is my madam's birthday. Her name is Mrs. Betty Ohene. Please wish her for me, And this one came in from Hannah Esel. So happy birthday going out to Mrs. Betty Ohene. And this one is coming in from Hannah Esel. Or say ne madam ene na mo shop no e was CMB Accra. Eti Mrs. Betty Ohene Hannah Esel so we show happy birthday na nyame o show na onye okese. And a happy birthday going out to Christiana Nate, aka Cholo, or Bethel Methodist School, and then Catechist of Calvary Presby Church, where Ashama. May God bless you. And a happy birthday, though belated, and so in comma, I am Mrs. Ofie Saki Ama. Mrs. Ofie Saki Ama. Also, I have better Methodist school. We if each Cholo and Jane. Oh, yeah, it's Sechiama, yeah. So a happy birthday, though belated to Mrs. Ofie Sechiama. Our Bethel Methodist Church. No, Methodist School. Yame Unsha, right? No. Let's go back and take it from the top. What? Start the rule. Say no. The message is just so powerful. And a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Kathleen Essien. Kathleen Essien, well known as Grandma or East Legon Ajungano. Na yese onfa aye dwumadi eni agrokra uti Ofie Kwanso bruta. You are 59 years old today. Happy 59th anniversary to you. May the good Lord continue to bless you with long life and good health as well. We love you from the Essien and Abedu Kennedy family and all your loved ones. And then so me offer say bako ne birthday. And now OD 2 years. So all the way in Germany. A happy birthday going out to you, Alicia. You are 2 years old today. From your own Uncle Jerry and your mom Yvonne and Grandma Mama Lit. We all wishing you a happy birthday today. May God bless you and make you strong. Me patrol clubs paleta. When you pay then you are missing out big time. Oh yeah, the good old club minerals. They say with the same refreshing taste and flavors. Club minerals is now clubs paleta. Now a more yeah. So switch up your groove with a bottle of Clubs Paleta, still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, and soda flavors. Club Minerals, yes, they say a Clubs Paleta. Your man a new look, a new feel, but the same great taste. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments. While Brahma say a bottle of Clubs Paleta in 4 different flavors. Clubs Paleta, still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. Nation says Alberto fan wogu kan mu a e patro Toffee Goyle. Esa say nei Goyle the iron say yeah higher grade fuel no. What you say we are tried and tested, proven and accepted. Come pa. Now it is suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Now, the Maya the aircraft that's from Kokran say, yeah, higher grade fuels, no, you're fortified with a XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, yeah, more efficient, eco-friendly. Come pa. Now, you sign turn at no extra cost. Going high grade fuels here, you want the Super XP Run 95, and you want Diesel XP. Now, you turn every Goyle fuel station, not just selected fuel stations. You know what I'm saying? So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuels. Now ajibe via Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dim. Now me bisa na cash no way. Obi says you can new crew. My main job be a cash no. Ya wo pebi dia trew hyiemu a. E very simple. E dey amawo. Advanced Ghana savings and loans. Cash almost side the bruta. Almost all my ready. Bra, na your more cash. Never tre wushim. Nani na say so person will expand your business. If you want to purchase new stock, if you want to purchase new equipment or clear your goods from the port. What they brand any mekasa. Yeah, the area task say beboa. Na o business no etimi akonkan pa. Now, they are affiliated to Advanced Group in Paris with over 1 million clients. and presence in 9 different countries. Yes. Yeah, you're well committed. Say, business, no, you be met me a year. Wabra, more competitive interest rate on our loans, good collateral policy, and then a loan without any prior savings, just when you need it. And the air share kwa ba itimi buana utimi ye bibia wo mobile money no so. Mobile phone no so. And no mobile banking service ye 20 after the Mobi Bank. Utimi ye bibia absolute comfort. Now one make you repayment any other transactions directly from your Momo account wherever you are at no cost. You can visit any of our 20 branches across the country. And yes, our website or www.advancedghana.55355. Advanced Ghana, growing together. And this one is finally Alan Kaiko. Alan Kaiko. Come up. Finally. For no so edia be pium no. Now himself finally yenya the first fortified rice in Ghana. Yes. First fortified rice in Ghana. Nani nyina ne se enuane aya ye di no enuane nru na ho nru aya se se enya firi mu no ye ntai ensa enya eti akoba se udidi aya se obo wa furu ma so unya mfaso bia emfiri mu eno enenei the popular brand Royal Aroma. It say Royal Aroma. And the first fortified rice aba. The Royal Aroma fortified rice. Yeah, we know there. Nutrients P9 the woman. Iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9 as well as B12. Nina they shemu kama pa. Now every 7 of Royal Aroma fortified rice amount at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients. It humbe hiasa so obedi mo kwa dia. As I say Royal Aroma fortified rice. Tuko criminal to rice and part me shut down to rice keke sa say rice. To Royal Aroma fortified rice. Pa.
So as you see me dancing, favor, amen. I dey count my money, amen. As I dey drive Bugatti,
MTN free after 1. MTN network is a power of Fadiaba. Nina say a boy what me akasam retintin pa e brown mokabia. Today bomodian so best subscriber. Now bet me akasa and say 24 hours in na the bekasa fakasa. You only pay for the first minute of the call. The rest is absolutely free. Now what's saying 50 megabytes of data at their browser for free at their account. And so when you want there you phone to see an about *550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after 1 now. And then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. I was anche bi ebe hwe asemo a edi tu yon fo na ewie wo Ofie Kwanso medie so na fe ye tu yon fo wi a ya hwe nim kwan say Scott bet na se no dey around the world in 5 minutes abre yen yeah promises don't fluctuate to you or palpitate to you his blessings just keep flowing out down on me. Happy birthday going out to my daughter Priscilla Nana Ajwa Ja Debbie. Run for me, one for me. Of course, school Bethel Methodist School. Tema Basic 5. No need to rush in life. We Ify Ben Debbie. Run for me, one for me. I know be sweet. On also chese o you be a one for Jumedi in your agro cry. Everything for me finally. Cause I got the favor of God over me. Everything is working for me finally. Cause I got the favor of God over me. Though I don't deserve it's working in my favor. Though I don't deserve abusia mama fa anwumi mra from na mintu chepa emma one wonderful nurse that I met today by name Sena. In fact, say health workers nyina eyi omuyam aye adwuma pa te se de rawe adwuma ya anka ayarefo mresa ayarefo benya ni daso. Now lady no you very fantastic. I went to the Trust Hospital today, Ewosu, and na me pese bibia very fast for me. I went there very early. Na omo inya started baby the department that I visited no munya started. I was told said that department no will start work at 8 a.m. But I went very early, even before 7. I'm so the person mo ya me ye first na me bia ntimi ye fast mami. Now and chena me who lady no, going up and down, all setting up the place near there. And I'm in the casa and I'm so I'm very much aware say 8 number start, but my band terms so that at least I'll be part of the first people mobile attended to near there. No, so no problem. So men dropping my card no. Na maintenance, but she want to explain something to me. And that there are cases from Kolebu. Those cases, a specialist from Kolebu will come and take care of Sankrofona. They are about 2 or 3 people. Now, almost they know since Friday. So as soon as they start, they will attend to those people. So she want to explain to me. Say the bear, men drink say men am a bar first in tea, but case no a special case, and I'm so no problem. When they are done with them, then they can attend to me. No, so okay. No one and in the by. No, so do you know what? Specialist no. Obey surgeon from the Kolebuno. Because obey now assign your mark back to Kolebuntina obey first. No. But I thought there be a traffic situation, be no one bantam. So as soon as we start, na say on buyer, I will call you so that I'll do yours for you. Said the bear won't waste much time. And I was like, oh, okay, that's nice. Unfortunately for me, traffic situation now I'm going to know. At that time, I saw starting me the mom first. One of me, please come and let's do yours. Beyond background, we are still in the process of doing yours now. The specialist will understand and they will finish up with you now. Walk away. I'm like, cool. Take note, lady no, me nim no, and on so nim me, or nim se me Jerry Justice. No. Maybe Kobe Bisa. I am in disclosing me identities are. To ye bibia mommy. No, we now say maintenance and I'm in train. And I watched something. I brought me to an train. Other patients they ba honomono. Obi abahwa just like or attended to me. I turn was a church and name explaining a chairman. The same thing or yet to all other patients about Honina. Obi obeba will be a lady to the boise. Enya botre mawom. A church and someone biani or attended to bia. And I was just loving it. Now, share Obia. Why are there mommy we know James okay. Everything is done. But now paperless, so they are not printing the thing for me, so it will be in the system. And when do I want to come and see the doctor to review it near their dinner? We're talking. And I'm like, all right, so I will do it in Tema. Still system near there, so it is possible. Because my doctor know Tema. No, so okay, no problem. In that case, so to me, mommy, copy of OEB and there are some stuff that I cannot disclose. And also, but no, unfortunately, it looks like the machine is acting up kakra with the printing up now of that way, but you to Tema, for you to go and come, can you wait small? I will try my best and see if I can get it done for you. Hey, next niben and the machine. My maintenance here. Me dinya. No, then she was attending to others. Ogusu attended to others, and I'm so I can still wait for a while until there if a bear was okay. If I try and it's not still a year, I'll let you know so that maybe later on you come for it. Metwa miya no abomidin Mr. Mensa female koi. So okay, it's ready now, so you can have it. So there's no need coming back again. So when you go, it will be already in the system, and then your doctor can go through it with you. So okay, thank you very much, madam. But I have a friend over there by name Ejiwa, our Trust Hospital. So quickly, I called Ejiwa. And I'm saying, Ejiwa, on this department, I'm calling Ejiwa. The nurse on duty, and I'm a chair in department, I'm calling all. Me describe, also, Senna. And I'm saying, hey, she's a fantastic nurse. Also, as for that lady, also one and I'm saying, hey, Crawford, also she, or you good keke, Ejiwa catch me. I'm so no, this lady is indeed good. Because said them kanye jiwazo kan out I want it means that obia kan ho asem so ni papa. Said the nkrofo ya de a enye aye betena aka no. Sa na manfo so ya de no mo bom bonde a ese kan e bom abaso. I don't know her from anywhere. I just asked my friend Ejiwa over there so boni din a kire me. Me crash still me feel on my introduce me to her and I left. Eti Trust Hospital also main. In fact, me administrators no. The lady by name Senna or a fantastic worker. Momo manim kono na mombo na baso na encourage others no mo so enye adwuma fi o makoma musa. That is how our professionals say to me. So that obi yare mpu na say o wa hoyehia mu a nurse enum kasa mpo be kasa a kire onipa mpo kra no ebetimi ama onipa na nya ni da so. So once again, thank you very much, Senna, and keep being that good nurse that you are. And thank you to Ejiwa for letting me know that lady near friend Senna. Yamin Shramina. All right. Yan twasuna yan kwenim. Enche bi asem di kanka ye be hwe asem adi tu on fo na ye wie pa na se Scott atenase na ye dey around the world in 5 minutes and so asoso e dey amount. Uzuti Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Adaroma, omo boyen ama yetimi eti asemo a yedi tu ho fo. Awie e wo fie kwadwo medie so. DBS Industries Limited. DBS Industries Limited. Abusia enei uboremu DBS aswe ya, de omo de aba no. Steel trusses, alusing. Steel trusses kama pa na we ni ti otwam ni say onna ho enkoto nnua emfa ngu odan so biem enade na ade gu so na aboa na bibia so etimi akoyi e de amaw tie no ye de chance ni gu so ye perfect ni na da so level pepepe ho ze nnua de ana ba bia chinchin ni ade we de entesa bibia akoyi correct kama na we nso no ye ma warranty wo ho a 100 years mua is say yenim say we no enye hwe enhye empro enkwa enye hwe say good dan so ani na okọ wanim saa die kanfo e de ama obi bia ne bo so nye den wo de compare nua de ya ne bo nye den ti bomoden a na ema wonsa enka bi na efa good dan so ansana wo de roof sheet no aguso ene na chese everlasting ti unya DBS alusing trusses CBD guso. Now pay DBS roof sheet coloring plus EBS and the boss account there. Oh, one and cancel moon na be betna if you na roof no there and sit the check said the tiano sa na tie kama pa. But more than say obe friend ye twa free estimate e dey ma won kran ha 0240 844 444. Afi Kumasi phone phrase 050 600 4141. Na takrade phone so phrase 050 600 4242 na yetimi eno edin kita ho na enwa bia ohia bia na ye de abo na wabo dan so fe kama pa as they do a former door master and Pobiman paint depot ni na ne se ene ye de hihye ya ba eboa na wetimi enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Na over 100 designs and colors. Ya obeti me choose from Tiwani, choose your choice. Not just a wajwade na on a wall scene. From exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, bathroom doors, a few wooden metal doors to wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, any kind of door bia na type of door bia no are available or door master and Pobiman paint depot. Na eno kodanche no oba ye paint ya from wa ye Euro standard paint no you mu asoto acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, damp-proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint as accessories are holding in ano. Ebin so ho. Na ne say any news paint akabo mutino. Ya de share so kwa ba. Your friend of paint now, pay later. Paint now, pay later. Na jeni na say schools, offices, hospitals, churches, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers nano. Yes say. Momra na paint ya muhia dia ko paint mo dan ye famam. Na moto bo asiko paint wi a echi no. Ye bobu skani mo man mo twetwe an kakrakra. Wa bra ye fa interest bia ento so. Ompewi edin biem na ope. Hwehwe ye chia kwan e wo Accra Kumasi highway no so. Ye wo Podman to booth wa. In fact, so ojina Podman to booth wa. When it ya shop no emu. Obe frɛ a 0542 745 222. Afi 050 021 2447. Na on a door master and Pubiman paint depot edin kita ho. Afi finally as they on come MTN ye ne odi free after one hye no aba. Se the medical achiro mu achiro dada no. And once obe kasa no wakasa. Obra no wajai. Ubetua for only the first minute of that call. The akane de na free. Obesenya 50 megabytes of data. Now they are browsing for free. And they are not so atapo. When it is anshi who and patrol you phones is here nebo *550#. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we are good together. But don't forget, terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Yadoma say Sadaroma omukra imu ama yeti asemo edi tuonfo ene area yi. So and the day etu yehofo ewo dwumadi eso no asem no yebebubu mu kakra yebefa efa edikan na nne se ochira ye ne counselor wi na se bi ekwan beba mu a ye de beba na fidi twato no ya no Wednesday se anye san so de a ofa edikan ye fa ne na Wednesday ye de tosuminu na ba na Thursday ye bunukum obidum bi ebese epon na chese yewie eti ene de na ye de hwase no o say there are always two main sides to every story in this life. So if you aren't willing to listen to both sides, don't be quick to make your judgment on what you've heard. Straightforward. Or say asitren way asem bia wo beti bia ye wona fanu de wote ye no ye wone fa foforo so eka ho ya eno so ewo ho. It is a wonye wadwen say wo betie asem no afanu ni mienu nyina de a ene e mem pepere ho na enyi aten ewo efa ba ko pe na wate no eho empempie na ye disa de we ho for pa say asembia si no bia be kachero di odi kan be bo amane no na waka ne de ndedede utie na wayi nten amoni pa kuna nze o dabi o na se we de wanya de sa no he de wanya de meanwhile until the other side of the story e bia nka onya botre kakra na utie the other side of the story na o judgment na woman no e be different but empempi ni yenyesa. The moment we hear the other side of the story now, that is it. Now you're forming your opinion on that. Now you're passing a judgment on that. It always know. Now you're bunny pabini so much say no more tear, the subai say netie, and so a be abeko shimono, nan ken yesa enetie. A friend tossing me no, and I did chat one or so, Nani nabe no. Na entiasieno. Imu aidu, na imu epi. nti ene die yemfa konko hansa. But don't forget, say, there are always two main sides to every story in this life. So if you aren't willing to listen to both sides, don't be quick to make your judgment on what you've heard. Yeah, the asadama ya boafo na wie. Na dia ka ne se ye behwe na yesiesie ho. Na fi ye ne se Scott ahwe abom na around the world in 5 minutes ye dia brew. So obodiem.
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Hello, Epacho Weni.
Hello, I'm a Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa, when you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big wabosu. Nanso ansana benyesike. Kisa money e bribika krebi de ko mobile money number you swa. Mobile money pin number count. The what you really achieve no. Aye simple cry.
Da wo ho so MTN ejumai phone fro say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansa na wabedi achedie bia wadie ansa na obedi achedie bi no na wato ho akrade kai say won fa mobile money pin ema obia de bia da eye wasumasem se opemu no kra frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na womwa woni nkyiremu wobetumi so abamane e wo mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why you affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking pay. What be man paint depot? Why? Paint to quality usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. You see if you was asking me what done here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Highway.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello.
Yo, nasi saying.
Talemania, Misso, me here once is here.
That's him.
Asem bisebio.
Meet you.
Yama Musa 9 cities. Yama Kwame so 36 cities. And a Pokuan Sunya 27 cities. Now, why was Sansim here? Sika same pan at the Labina.
Chama, hey, Shakunyana, wait a long equation. Yedika from Musa.
Hulunekos were Busia and in a phone term saying, oh, big a crack. Small Quedica and a pen of the Chawaka. Nasa Wakasa Suchaya. Ubedi Koma, Untiashi. Near some 50 megabytes free. I will be Albecasa. Press star 315. Now for Uberdom. MTN free after 1 and net. Free say, we are good together. Everywhere you go. Kaise, in shake a crow.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why you affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking pay. What be man paint depot? Why? Paint to quality usual. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. You see if you was asking me what done here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So Kumasi Highway. Put him on Tobu to
Ghana Numina had them boss.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. Adom FM 106.3 FM.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
His name is Ahinebakisi. Charlie Manton can na me. I say royal drinks no when you be a no one be yo. Cause you more dead. Royal apple, royal cola shop, royal orange to your line, and a royal cocktail, the Aki Cowboy Musano. More day brutal. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities 50 pesos. Channel says we are another quality product Efficacia Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Royal drinks, you go like them. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251. 0272 133 373. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel Benason. Bema Tenase. Now Bema Tenase dear. Not just around the world in 5 minutes. With Sus. Sewawa. Sewawa. Scott, Jerry, Scott, Jerry. You are Kwaba. You are referee. Now, and Punumu to say, Jerry, I feel I'm going to Ghana from Payasab. Debbie, I can't balance, no? And
so still Friday ya kan
also man fashion
and so me feel and ka over fm ka so
about drop into the crowd so jika
but one friend na me who said no
still
and
balance na nya na me say a 4% balance no sa na nya
anyway be jai ba sa anyway be jai ba alright be jai ba Daddy, how was your weekend?
It was cool. It was nice. It was okay. Yeah.
All right, I believe so. Okay, say Mother's Day, Andra.
Yeah.
Mother's Day. I know be sending me a message, say Happy Mother's Day to you. Let me say, oh yeah, no, this also. Please don't ask me any questions. Say wawa. Or this say wawa so. Let me see you, Mate. It's anyway. Gradually. Me no can say I feel be to the next Ghana.
Miss my wife will wish me Happy Mother's Day.
Sir.
And I was Anna.
Over.
Cause you also for me, sir.
Circumstances you have shown that you can be a mother into the end, sir. Yeah. I believe so, gradually. Gradually, yeah. I feel no be a bagano, Yamana Kwabana. Yamana Kwabana, I feel no be a 90 Yamana Kwabana.
All right.
Okay, gradually. Welcome to Ghana. Whereby you'll be on the prosper. At the car quick room.
Prosper.
At the car quick room.
Or the car quick room.
Oh, you keep
didn't know
okay. Say, welcome to Ghana.
All right.
Daddy, can I tell you something?
Go on. But man to bomb case here.
Oh, any mamingo. Daddy, if she can finish a plate of rice without touching the meat, she can keep her virginity till marriage. Yeah.
If she can eat
a plate
of rice, finish a plate of rice
without touching the meat, she can keep her virginity till marriage. I'm telling you.
Meat, sausage, and chicken. That is a obet me keeping virginity.
Yes. Yes. Obet me papa.
This is going to be agree for. But the starting I'm not
I'm dying. I said Daddy, don't go there. I said yes, Daddy, that is that.
All right,
Daddy. Me ana me kan masem. Me say bibi enu abrajeri emma blood pressure ntentem. Ene say oba na ho nyefe. Na ne na ye bibi awie. Na we refuses to offer contraceptive. Cash. Now blood pressure.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, I can't do that. Me say nothing raises blood pressure to the highest degree than an ugly girl refusing to take contraceptive after doing the something.
Na unim sadia enye okoyeye
na brother you taking in so sorry no one day
oba bi o ho a be ma ewu a unim pepe se we de onu no bobra na enye we de onu no wa a bomb.
Brother,
so still
you want to do it. Intino, you know. Brother, me yeah. Metro was in right.
Okay, you
have stories in it, and they Brother, on say Germany. Sex workers were where are we?
Na he from the bini.
Okay, well, on say as a abrofo the end and only the kind the whole. Who says a hand almost shut down permitted and Ghana is being permitted. I know you can educate me on that, but the minimum are brought from say.
Yeah, for room.
Okay. Okay, well, my friends, one I'm in Brother, sex workers in Germany. How much I say they are at risk? Risk now, they are at COVID-19. Name no, or my Jumano. See, I will yaska.
I didn't.
Some restrictions, no. Yes, hey. Brother, restrictions, no doors for Germany.
And I'm a man for my
trouble. Oh, yes. Into your move complain. Now, and on that, I'm say, a banner to the other to the casa and your more fort. Name of COVID-19. And untia. Until they should bear with them. Brother, the way I'm more responding, yeah, buying so about until I be responding. Ghana, bet me I responded. No. Tina may can sana. What I say? We mu the sex workers are more Germany. They are complaining. They are at risk.
Okay. Yes. So before Obeko on next story no so. Yen tuche Emma Sam J.
Okay.
Sam ewo Same ewo Sam J Electricals ewo Temacom 2.
Okay.
A friend saying Snit Junction one.
Okay.
Eno.
Okay.
Very nice place. Electrical ino na OTA program ipa. Odu na omo biemu a. Na sisi ana Samia Tomen krase se sana de na idea wa peke coins kakra de atum.
Okay.
Ache say ebetimi de ato credit.
Okay.
So ati ase.
Okay.
Itime ye na afina ya ama na che say ode ato credit no sharp na.
Once I know
it's not too che Emma Same of Sam J Electricals
to Facebook ana oti.
Wa ye oti. Ho bedu no abie no hu ha sa na oti a.
Ka che ne se nyamenti obi ane so ni fa so mfi mfa nka ne de ho. Oh, nyamenti obi ane so ni fa so mfi mfa nka ne de ho.
Ready is bro.
Some can say oh brother, onya ne sa na yen kwa anim.
Okay. Eti ya fa so chia Sam J adwuma.
Sam J adwuma fo nya nyame nhyira mo. Onti obi ane so ni fa so mfi mfa nka mo de ho ma akoma. Yes. Matis obi ka say ndi obeto wa as escort de na aka. Matis obi kan but me me pakro de. Brother yanto aso.
Okay.
New Zealand. Brother enipa 4 me no ka say they are in a critical condition. In fact, the critical air ka semwa.
That is more than
Abba brother. Abba. Ni na ne say New Zealand supermarket. Wa omudi dwa wo. And attack bi akoso wo wa. Eno nam so ema nipa mako and 9 they are in a critical condition. Brother critical ngasa. Me you use the word critical in fact a BSc wo ho. Inti de ma ye mpa ibo mu. Enye den emfama wo mo. Brother.
Yeah.
So they work Canada da
Patrol Debbie.
Canada. International airport no edin bi da so na merefi. I think say na obi tiri mu sisi anzo.
Ene san for ehimwe.
Na me
banze na yifrim.
Da ma ene se me yifrim. A very nice name be. Facebook fund the
na nice name na den na refi.
Brajeri eno ne ni asem no. I say me story ne buy na me see o. And they say airport bia wodin. Inti dem me kohwehwe. Edin na ene say me tia mehu an sisi a efri mitrim na. But anyway, before measuring probably I will bring it. Brajeri Canada International Airport. Arehosem wesi. Aye abranti awedi 28 years old. Ye shoot no. Abra wo pie na ena o shoot no obi nim say aye den the CEO. Den say den the CEO but police for HSA say e betimi aye gang related violence. Gang related violence. Utum say bia oni obi woden issues bi ni ani intawantawa bi. Yes, ena ema nipa no ebedi ni saa ewi. So bi didi na ba mo.
Why didi na ba?
Oh, me feel so be did about Facebook. Me Facebook for pa. Me yada wo mo so. Enti Brajeri nature say arehosem a abana no. Ewo eye Canada. In fact arehosem pa international airport wa. Na sa arehosem esi. Ba police for nature say still an omo ye nhwehwemu dua. Oh yes, I did bia no. Double in fact. No ebe.
Okay, so airport now hefa there now okay. Which of them? Because I'm possible be Calgary, Ontario, Kuba Kwani DM Day, Oba, Saskatchewan was airport for Azana Toronto, so they all on there. They be Toronto. Why it starts with what V?
Yes, I know the idea.
Meaning,
I think it starts with V. Yes,
really. Vancouver. Okay.
Vancouver. What day? Mini daman kamema kapre. Pa. Vancouver International Airport. Yes, Vancouver. When I saw
ACBC. Okay.
Yes. Brajeri. Yeah. But the ACBC. Brajeri there. You never chop your school fees.
But men to bomb kese house wako.
Oh men to na obia and obia mama street and internet just on nkwa na dia ba ho. Na he say ye ko ye ni. Brajeri.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something?
Tell me something.
I should tell you something.
Yeah.
Rajeri, so what you waba niska? Wa we fi wakume mache niska. Now what the shan some na okan sika no wa we nimu. My brother, quit the relationship.
Come again.
I'll come again. Me say wa we free we pem.
Willingly.
Now what chenisika? Now when you more this canon or some
what watch there. And yes, on the catcher say I need X amount of money.
Wow, I see na kume. Edia channel. Nasa brajeri or kaisi kanu or watch you my brother. One day I'm making my brother. My brother, quit the relationship. Brother, yeah. Catch on, say. They should quit the relationship. Brother,
yes, boy.
Watch him on that. If you could be KJV, not just a wokan.
No JV.
French in even catch us a Javel
Capel.
Not just all to test a day. Yeah, bet you. Brother Macrow.
Oh, man. That was Sir Scott. But around the world in 5 minutes. And or the brain. And yeah, easy. It hasn't some dozen. That was so me tell my wing catch up. Mask coffee. Yeah, mask. Max. Amaki album said the mask shemi. Max coffee. Yes. Adom 106.3. You know they love anyone else. Yeah.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Adom 106.3 FM.
Once one in a moon, see force, send me a baby, I'm a better tea and tem. And so I do your mission, only paint me, young Vinty, walk on this is and this and one. Throw ye, we see me. All right. You want in enough for a ponua, on a more say to the Mupiani. Auntie on the for sweet. If you send me the throne, I am. I be on your mission. I'm not one of the men saying no tea. What I can this is and this and no, yeah, we see me. What I mean,
Personally, you know my shots about my shout out is here. Jerry, today is my wife's birthday. So kindly wish her a happy birthday for me. Her name is Rosemary Awuku. Yeah, wishing her long life and God's blessings as well. Yeah, and may God give her all that she wants, all that she needs in this life. we efi ni enchen ni ewo Sarah Foods wo tema Newtown Fishing Harbour na enchiaso nko enkoma Mr. Alex Asare Adom aka Conti kanena Labadi Beach Hotel ena owo na ne wife afimu ya Mrs. Rosalind Asare Adom ya dodo na so efreno ne kisiedu na nyame ya adom on the 15th of May and na yo ebebaso ewo transition funeral home yeah no ewo hacho anopa 6:30 rekopim 8:30 on 15th May na yiwia yakwa kokra no boko ewo ye ekropon ekuapem na eyiyo no atoa so all right ewo Legon Garden on the same day, that's the 15th of May 9 a.m. at the copy me 11 a.m. na bibia timi akoso ya trosa free jamfo nyina se meta na china de network na yon one epa eti Mr. Alex Asariado ya ma shede wa nyame kan no chicho ne abusu na re ebena mbuye na azre no se
ya network no
yon one epa
okay ona oyetela dia so betuma ro asa hapa
de network no oyetela
o chale network no oyetela
de oyetela ni
ya de obi na be pama
no
bagwaku
penifone shishe enye mani bi o aya na adwun pa o se
oyiru wa be ya pa o de oyira ja okra o tanunu kra na te san o ja yesu oyira wu
ahu na nko yi ho
papa no on shedding.
Serious.
Are you trying to picture what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I'm getting in there. Yeah. Muye together. And then suddenly she's no more. And you know they may get dangerous. It's like she's gone for good.
Exactly.
It's on way. It's on way.
It's on
way. It's on way. I understand. It's serious.
What's going to normally? You may man the type koja man. About percentage in this song.
Say Oba koja na be man okaya na oye mobo chin bibi.
Just way more than that.
Dinka
say I didn't get me choose dia. Be man be person obe choose drama.
And you know kwa na chese because Oba no koja na kan kwan we chire sa na hardwin. Because wo hwemu a won say wo de opa asemu ya makan. Wo de fakan research ho mo say ema omo bibitimi si na suddenly obefimu eja be ma no aya sa me ma no omo timi survive for a very long time than ema omo kunu eja oba bi okra ni kunu efrimu no na on sheda nyi bebre sa eso timi trase chesa be tran be tran ho so be tran mani na tran ho so for a very long time but be ma de and I just say you no banda that but say bema no don ye pa
no brand said and ye bio
na say oba no koja na
Charlie
it be some way women they are very strong.
Oh yeah me say this am come away on the month I di mothers
yeah
kwaku mpanifo ba kasa na say
so person so person na dey o twe mo no for so
mo kaka kraja yes unku dia
and who knows tomorrow.
well please Irrigated Sports a perfect program, perfect engaging and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Nafi Kumchacha and Twasumaye.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
Nice one. Over.
Open program one Dede Hwam fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Mo na over here no Moses say.
And what goes on our work room, we sound so uncomfortable.
Now work room.
And for me, you know, when I have, I go when you soon cross till I'm said until you some hour. So, do this year, you know, you who the day answer saying, if you saw him, I can't say, I'm confirming my acquire blue for the moment we say, if you said until a year about so dear.
Yeah, watching.
COVID have you can say do a year back we can say a year better than can say do a year can you cabutro kwaku and your COVID no kwakunya mene
bibia unyamensem
kwaku bosumi nyina o say say na ayi ne Sunday dey Mother's Day ya nura
yeah
ba me dey my imagine say na Mother's Day special nti ne bosumi we nyina ade ya de beto ama awofo na ya de ase da PCA amom say o manyom ho say sile queensi aba kwaku aduro bi gu o bag mu e say PK utu ya no de agu nanum no ware say be ya kwala be ba de trophy akwa but ya wofo na anya sa so kwaku mo bi say PK o
wakana cement
kwaku no ma ya ho research o me de be ba later say do no ka we ba ko a nka say within 3 months kwa na wonwi bi
sa
I'm telling you
abasom obi so eno so daily eno de ahye dae no daily amoye like
ya unim
e can contraceptives no
baby who are run ne around Friday no wanom Saturday na wanom Sunday na wanom Monday no be kwadwuma Friday no wasan ko boy no ron na wanom enye san ne nom no my own research but me pese me
dem so pese me che no say ye obi on so eno ye daily pill and they yashe da ya
you can you contracept where you kill it instantly where you instant killing go no you make an instant killing for example so be betima my examples ni bi
patcho
I know you instant killing I know there who this sperm ni gum na no wash sperm na say sada no anwumre no a enya fe de be
David omunim so omunye yi sa de ene aya won share rubber omo ba ye
kwa kunsia oba so mbe rubber da won but she tell me who you no kasa kura you rubber na to and I'm go punish you
well you try
me man for kura me mo bia do over you rubber by the stuff I ya to potrum ube you rubber na kwa one funny thing is kwaku stage bo wo no you rubber no kwaku no you be one say
David that time hon kran dem say nyese on kran dey kura na say o yi do ne say kofa hu say kura but eyi na nkasa no sa point na wo ka no say o condom krate e wo sa point wa David nyese chese won hwe a wu
kwaku ebi wa o te pa
David dinti aya ebi wa bi a won tene say o ya na say e ya du ba bi a
for ebesia for
kokoko ni du na aya na feeling na sesa it say sa time no e na no obeka say we na you know dinesa edi uwie no na wa say moto
kwaku ni de ya reho afa uwie na ko ha bo say unsa confirm no na was skirt bi o de kom anu ayi
uza esanso a esa say one more break dia ugusu pia ko sa na ni na pia be
boa
adana ring
yeah enye izo kwaku
adana ring na abeshe trio girl
na esa no wasa hwe no say bra odi agum apai no me anka me de bucket na koso he etie ma me no anya sa akome ya wo ya ba wiase a ya de ase da PSC na mo kwaku me ma me ankasa de mo fanya akwaba na pani kina se cha
me wa
ya o sha se na ro wa chino o ma me de
kwaku wanya sa experience bi da
emu de
ma sha roba ama na paida
And one said, I am a pie.
Debut. At the great time, say you know, crying Cassa Pie. I dear pie you pull. But at sound of empire,
several questions.
Oh, some pie pull here. And yet, we go to be 3. And then on one shilling.
Then one Casa de South consuming Fabia.
Asa, South Africa, dear moon. Oh, my son, you're crying because when you was.
But we already had an alcohol condoms on you.
Oh, to Michelle. You are
David, mean to me.
What do you know you're for condom?
Maybe we rather know to Michelle.
Just a mere cry and a military animal.
We are Robert.
We
are Robert Free for the Robert Free.
Oh, then. Dear Papa, see a prayer one. Prawunia Fasia, and I only the premier.
The can't go there a condom for
as Uncle for the bomb.
What can I make say?
Now say Tiana.
Tiago said, I don't know you said for not just catching out the condom. Where's that since? I could do you.
Say a tin time dia wu na e ko bunu mu kakra.
Ela me ka se. Uti anye na ba ho na. Honde.
E o sa de na na. Be na hu so anya.
Afa esi onyin se yoni nya be free wa dwi mu. Wu ansa.
Onya man.
Akwaku e ma no so ete aya onete.
Oh say when so tina no so e be ne se de wo so aya o se e ya yi na. Ase offer tasting na and I dream by the Caco, I dream be singing now. You're dedicated to my awful. Now, maybe my Casadia were free moon. That is a 2013 total free moon. But that notwithstanding, no, your homophobia almost so. Yeah. Maybe to say Sissa for or Kobe tips, like I say. I find a dress for aka Sissa for. And then I try for a very long time. Shamia, and I will be a crime. I got a chance and I miss the Hunu. Saying if you let's catch the yoga, but I know you know more Scafor. The camp village section of Scafor. You know what I'm talking about. Where there is television, where there is fridge, story building, and all that. I want to Kunya. Experience, so what I say if you're not dying, but who's a what's the make I say? Cars, about cars in your manoma,
Moody Dika, Moody Chef Fridge.
Hey,
person who the Nanka is all kind of
yeah, they make us out here. I see you're not so a boy, pa, and you're not called Bibia.
In the other sort of world, be
to be crowned.
Mrs. Rita and Kumakisi, Düsseldorf, Germany. Wishing happy Mother's Day. Say, and Ramen in a casa and na also chiao na or two on catching ya.
I mean, my memoir Germany, nay, just say a dean make us a mobile major view.
Oh, yeah.
Into every day, some movie, but me and run make sure I did big mistake or say we don't need a day to celebrate.
No. Some now Crawford be some amount for the aye, maybe my father, mommy picture and your mind, Bianam so. Maybe my dear. On every day, we are Mother's Day. What I say,
the here we are simple. Mother's Day, no a year moon dear, but the here pa and say, Warner would him. Oh, no, my mentem.
A bear come out
to say,
oh, yeah, anytime, any day.
Yes,
but me around.
They say, and yes, be a 1 year scandama and sana, what me are, mammy.
Yeah.
Kitwabia would sons who suck it on West and grew him out. It was soon Cacrabia say woody biano. Kaima meno.
Yeah.
Now upon any Cacramanwa. And Musum Bopa sing Happy Mother's Day. I just say,
and now the okay, so if I can't count the chest, will be awesome. A trainer may hate about her mammy. Sabi, Oman, you crab it me free. I just made the ABC. You may man talk and transfer to that. As you be a moose or bread on or you be a samana, who brace on your sweet, but that you now talk at them. So when trying to come with that way, they see an old BBR and tell me a bit in and Thomas Cannabis. I guess, mammy. Because naturally, no, Umami Bakwan and Wako. Naturally, all things being equal.
Yeah.
Because Umami will be near Jow. It will more be say, see, Fabuano. And Piancasena, we are in school, and I mean, you never could never do Macassia, Yatuma Ketchi one sana in your own small way. What you say, so grown up a Mamma, Koyaman says, yeah, and when your message tinted. But Casatin and top of Obuan wako trip picture na mama care. Obi any say you care. Care be and chance over mambo 1,000 asu e wo ma me phone so. Na ono so e dey twa na ho. Enti ye enti ani enhwe ma me kwaku na waka we na ayi for the idea betu just say Ghana member. And come here and say instead of some best soccer breast, you feed on the breast. And then and healthy and my breast, and I am mad then to me at the idea of baby mudia too much seriously. No question for no any problem.
Only 2 months
I story know what they find them with the car I mean class to now triple room. Anybody be I said who feeding on the
aggressive
adult and they are feeding on the breast.
Aggressive.
How they are knowing on the period room years and wolfing mango as a we are
now we are person ensure manamona.
Benny, the woman say I give you any school bia so
tiwadu
tipimwa na for eyo ana we ndi ho nkoma
no de beto ni trimo
akotrai na eya na
I say you must feel the breast, don't feed on the breast.
Yeah, nyamba ni nyina na ya bibi ho kra oye ne ha no ultimi ka say adia we di upra me tisanka nipa di sun be ba ha no ke
ebi timi ebo
ma say upra
so bi phone line si pa say ma nan kama ni huna wo yin huna so ti ase ubi won mo ndi o te say ye de hye yanu mu na enti no ene ne sin say o kan si so na ye ka no so iwe no fu edie ya ye nkan kofa
enya no pe we
na me kan me ba ho pa
the when friend now went to me if you also no
who talk ba ko crafo no na utuma moyenfo so
give me head yeah and also head no okay yeah na
ofo
o catch na fi
we be proud
twan hrodo no ogu a wo hu ye we sunti na lum za enti be no na apone
obewe na
egugu ne za no oni awode gidigidi ze
ti anye ya wa catch na fi ho
eti on nyanto ba se enye se bia ote me dase abra no amakura so na woko bia akura na hya se kakra ade no ote ase se eye ntafe nya rewia
uni problem bia biem
kwakwa na de me kan kan ye eze ntafe enya rewia tinya enye se bi adwe ananka ti bi no nya na wa so hu kwa de unim kra no opani ye susu ane de nya poki no ni ade e de ye
as a pocket still
there be any pocket ni ho
Francis say it's a skill yes
obi won my talent nya me dia mom oni me papa
talent force
oh yes
ebi dia ya ma shede ebi ni me papa so ti ase but oni me ya say ne famo ko to a no aka no kakra bi so hu na emia ade na blog na waje say umia ma na fato kro no ma ba na Ofie what I say o kete ma ne da no kakra be ba na no atafe sa o ye ne sa e kuma na o so ma na fe
kwaku akuma abaye di na say akra so focus so kunimdie aya dia abra ya chire kin face ashom o man to me auntie now they tell me say media so much with the name say Dando because kin face a team be on no crown or hunted relegation what you say it's you know ya chane sana e just say dey one why ho now no dreams here ya dey one say ye na me say amwa team be cry sorry me na me musical background
okay madum the mic into the so just that ebe how about no there be but e come studio ko ani this man me the mic na film to the ko ani
ama me akua no fever
ma me akua de o he na
I just you something
0
obakoto
kwaku enkunimdie usisi anansi osisi ntekumo
o de ko ani me se madum the mic into ko ani
na when na kwaku kotokofo nso edi nkunim na enkunimdie ankekawa ewom kwaku ye kase nkunimdie bi wo ankekawa ma ote ase referee a olusu match against kotoko no
referee lusu match
no we do team kwana olusu match anya na olusu
referee
yeah it's a referee coach olusu match no na me kasa oto no na makasa kwaku coach olusu match in the same year to just say and then ono obi na ko ball say he played against the men in black coach oyo broni o na obu yebe asama o kan we ati asiaba the match he played with Kotoko he was not playing against Kotoko he was playing against the men in black what you say you still don't understand.
I understand.
According to the coach, the match they played, they were not playing Kotoko. They played against the men in black. Who were the men in black? Kwaku papa me tell say penalty bi ajema Kotoko no. Anya kwa me obo de na
eyi wo kan na me twi bi a Apostle Augustine Smart de abana na me try ase metimi agbochi na me kan na me ntimi na fe na matimi ahunu atom o say na be ma o sinyina de wan kofa oba nufu anto wanum antwe no mi sanso na ye de
sana Apostle kan de ni o house of mami
but also just say na o se pa
Debbie eno de we enen kwa na Apostle
o kan o twi mi
say o sika say o de koto anu aye den no mpo
Kwaku uza adi ni Nyankopon kora in his own wisdom no kwala no omosene ye den na omu jari numba woni sa kwala sen ba na nufu twa no
akwala adwembo ni oni team ene sene emfefe ebo no mfefe ye kra
o timire kika
o de fere mame who so be dia fere mame na mama mi a chana
o timire wish no o twa now
Kwaku enti
ade ni say esin wa adwuma ye ketrema so adwuma ye to ye wa adwen so de sen be ketrema adwuma ya wo beba very simple
and pass summarize no
aide
was summarize no Kwaku coach in the chess enema bi e koso okrum ano enye the chess ye sa penalty adwuma Kotoko idie na emu odwerem enya me na meka coach e wodi nkugo na this asem atudwa Kwaku me de minti bin ka say referee akoni course na kwaje the penalty no enye penalty but kamia say sa de no enye koso pa Kotoko match bia no wagadiri bi timi piem ye di penalty ma
Kotoko match ngwa
ama ne boshe
Kotoko ngwa
de match na meka I say league no we Kotoko should take the league by all means sana ebi mu kwakunya me madwe na meka yo enipa bi adwe am kan say I say ye pese e ama Kotoko efa league no
okay
by hook or crook it woni ne bona ya de say de kura no a e be penalty agi ama no enye say sana mpanifo referee for ye de a omunyai Kwaku nim say 9th ya ne kai eye May 9th eye nipa eye football ti omko piem wo Accra Sports Stadium 120 and 121
yeah
e free mu kwa say eye enema enkoyi e wo football mu ti enti say da bia mbedi match na match no questions na mo sa me fo say entwa yie ano ekoda ye no penifo akọ adwabo na say eye anniversary the 20th anniversary am the to just say Ghana for
openeze o kasa ma menka bi
me hu say oni joko kasa ntina majari
na me fa we na majama da bi no we league out yes May 9 straight
o say en ebom
na bi mum openie mu
eye hooliganism ntina pete bi wi o
okay sisi asem o ma mi entin free ho we ba
say eye hooliganism bi ati be declare na ma matwe mo afro no aba enti kwa company for the to just say e dey na yesu free eye May 9th.
Okay.
Media mimi ni say ye nsua ahwe de kire say enche ye be 3 weeks ago and a referee mo ko di match ye bro no pipe na no na nimu moja me di picture no beto ha Facebook clock say picture no ye to bad say omo ma ye kwan pom ye fanto je ko kai sada no Ghana here after May 9th it time say ye nsua ahwe to the earlier we learn something the better ne ja ntokwa ne penalty bone a dejema teams bi ma e de ntokwa ba no
all right
we also today be full irrigated biology class. Say Albert Bonda na di we buy. Na say Chris Wado so could do US abridgment.
Oh yeah.
Crowd hana.
Na o say wasa Ghana den. Ose owo akakudu battlefield na mami ogre asantoa top man
ose yenda ogre ase na asantoa na top man afekupi bands ne sister ketwa sewa na ne brother ketwa ye junior ene great bayo so omunna yenche omomti onkra ne ato omomuni na wadi wakodu de ire hono ebo adwuma na bibie ni a na yentonka
obiasa ndi bia brami eni but ndi entimi fanto we
na so we de watini fo na fio
Fakoju Adams Edi biaba na pictures awa send the free to God abrem. E kwa me mani bi de sebe.
Oh, we there say we there. Na say we de opiano we nya agudi. Enya agudi opiano.
Na nya girlfriends day. Era ni binu mo dan binu mo ka.
Omo de omo agi mo.
Ko Edis pizza ni papa's pizza no mo ni ade a chese. Amam for Mother's Day one mo je pizza.
Adom ma me no.
Hard drink ya confuse so ade ya so we potential madana na je say hard drink baby. Ya we ya de sa youngest ni ba beji Mother's Day no every for me wa Valentine do a omo ni mo ni chempe. What I say? It om nye careful. Abani we so say good evening bro. In fact, when it comes to sucking of breast, it's been done gentle to feel the protein in it. It's very good.
Protein.
Man ya or send a message.
Now I don't know.
Opening mo yam for pa na.
No, that be say omo ana eyi. Dem be am chance
Eric me cha pa.
Unu mo ade agi protein.
Enya Eric we no formally of Royal Bank.
And I'm chance wo ye no agi protein wo mzaiden.
Onobi wa nsuo ni nyina obo mene ho.
Isa.
Oya.
Kwaku de kwaye ne say we de na girl no wa wo foforo.
And they different.
And na osan be gina mu. Na madam fo ba ko no openufo pa. Vienna Kumasi Vienna so na me no kan. Ti me ni gina Vienna so wo so pen Vienna ye wo top. Ti get ni frigate on akwame. We dey me de be ko.
Dey me penny bia.
Dey me penny bia no see form.
They can abom mama.
O se white top bia say busu.
Atare ni mu stretch kakra no kra de ni ja. Dey ni bi na na hye.
Eti madam fo yi wo se hona hotels bi wo flowers wo wani mo no de fa ho kwaku wani 30 minutes awoba ne bu nyina afo ani a just say lady na wo foforo am say
and obi wa oforo no ma boy ne ko ron
abejinam
say
ne mani num mo de abejinam
chance say sone na wan clear de wo mu na e be son
go clear we
so do anu kan chance wo say on kan no de a sone ba ko kan de wo mu no o so clear anza o clear backlog ni nyina ya odne zak na no kan kakra ba na nu ya na e so ni gu no
da so no hu bisa da to hu sa de ma chese no na da fe na
ma fa bere wasuro ni
se fe na magedon
na so be fa bere wasuro ni se
ni se ba this time hoti ne bu nyina afo wa da ba chese so de ni nyina
e fe si abodwe se ho na obani Ghana Premier League na no memene da na kotoko yene womo a echi akra so folk egu omo animu ase poto ewo eye dewu na wotwetwa mu no ye Dreams FC se omo chi ha ase hye omo sa no nti na ye omo se dabre wonu manyanefo omo bedu obo ase na e kire omo se dabi koto se tikasi ya wi adwea ne se bia ya ye so omo eka pore miensa mo mu tim ba ko opani bo asisie wo mu no e na margin no enye bebre sa ye ka so obi asisi obi a ye hye wo mu e ma omo ahu se ya hye wo mu
e referee fanso e coach ni fanso
coach ni brofo kranye o tie ni interview ni unse obi ho no mo a expression lack of words or the expression untina obu bi sim se ya enti opani mamen kama se mpa wadama ontimi nya na adwuma no de be hye ka hire on hwe so nya umba pam na nsen ya nya sem na aba e coach bia ne yesisa so umba kuru ni opani
baka se gati ya coach na
opani ye o mini se ya hye Dreams FC 3-1 o mo sha so folk 2 nil ya sha o mo 3-1 ama ene Ghana Premier League na ye bo no yen ene da so
moya de
so ti ase se second job yi anhwe so ama me anwo na ya de
second job you forget
na de o se ba na nsen ye ndi
ya ba na nsen de be hwekunu yan mama ne mo be hwe nim ne yawo
because unse enso
ya wo bi dada ye pe ba ko na so
asoso na je senka
na so wa onwo ye ni yira wo onwo ye ba wo
na me ken se be hwe nim ne yawo ene ompombo ye be hwe nim wo se ya unya bi nwenye we ne ye de be soro mo ya wo bi dada no na
se ye ne TV opre na
we so aka krebe na aspa into omo hwe ne ngo ne ntem esa na ebe ho a ye wo
abedu
amama clever
ba ko ba ne bi sai yo de ba na yanya bi
anya nwanwa se omo wi ya na mpeso omo ton no omo so ka hu
de ba na yanya bi ango no bi sai
abani it's a league near that so Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Why are there?
Thanks to the dubious penalty.
The top of the league. They okay.
Thanks to the dubious
the penalty. The penalty from my show 2-1. Says I now.
Players no more.
Me say. They okay.
O mani we story no.
Kasa mankasa. Na the woman say. Alaji Grusa. Edi soon. In the free nkran akọ Kumasi. Obani. Ara ko say. Ade asi wa Accra Sports Stadium. Ameni pa 126 ewu pen. Referee die bonne ameni pa ewu Accra Sports Stadium. On the 20th anniversary na ye die May 9th na Accra so folk any kin face ebo with the same venue no. Asisie sa akoso. Asisie no mo de di May 9th no.
Kwakwa fede me kanya no abi no so kan. What the coach na kasa wo.
Oh, my man come as my ade.
Now John Trotto house so no dey me.
Me John Trotto house. First omo ye comment Enra House of Folk lead 1 goal. Openi Kim Faisa enya clear obi a minim so ayi no unya
clear penalty. Wo ti ufie na adi clear penalty.
Oh, openi omo share who start time
so. What you ban ko waka na to so.
Ana o highlight ni bi. Omo share oh em ya se mintimi fa bi mama. Oh check what the highlight of ayi Kim Faisa is
I don't display committee. Referee no go.
Referee. O go ba betina ka si so. Obani se ankomo je penalty ni se twuma ka ball no flavor bi bia se sign. And no has of coach anka se anum to se and one se Kim Faisa eda eto no ho a go ball mbo boy no. Obenya funfo. And tum referee so on tiase mo. And aja se die na asio yesi Kim Faisa poto. Ama mo de ko na mo say enyi wani wunya ofere a obetena na o kan referee sisi obi asem
me de referee na ka say
sisi a
dream service na asem na me kan
ye ni referee na ka say
coach dream service coach
o say otrufo bia na no fomfo bebe
dream service coach na kasa enyam na me kasa wo say ono referee for the ball match no enyam ne kotoko ne ball kwaku ka headlines na metie ka headlines
we played against the men in black Dreams FC coach after Kotoko defeat.
Mina mekae.
Now, it's the fact that ono can so yes ana situation.
Akwani cheche mu say a referee for next no.
Obani.
Wo de ona oka sama kin
de oye no nim de oye. I saw ma no for na so ma me moto mbon. Ebi na referee ne ye.
So dey.
Coach no.
We zabe we
o ma me no for so ma me moto mbon ti no for no. League na ye bo no.
Ono mu fo ni moto mu ebo.
Mo nya na nim. So ma no for nation. Ebi no ye no. O team no ura no ye GFA president. Do say ene ye sisi team ne dia. Ena si ho no. Obani ase ebe na mbu ya wati ase.
Ye ti ase da.
Dreams FC hwan dia.
Kosi nyented.
Dreams FC kosi nyented. Abani ti de o mini say asisi Kim Faisa no. Hey. Dia asem kra. Em say sanse mi opening crofo ni hu too much.
There enu fo di. Say obakwa ron ba ku bi abrami a em say ka mu. Na obi ma ne banu fo no. Ena akwa bi otenchen afa ho ron bia na.
We enu fo for now.
That be because opening pass and dia dia abrami a mintimi enye emma tese entwam sky. O send dia a painting dia abrami. Opening for painting it all. Na pe sky information de maame no o se sa painting ya maame bi ema eye penimpa ni mfie ko animu no fo anom sa painting no won ton no for 30 million euros ese ni pe ni je ho papa painting na ton 30 million euros kwa me 30 million euros enye sika keto
buburuja
ene je ko fato
ene na hwe eyi Apostle asan to be aba after oka say eye no e no say catch ya no say ye ntwenu mimi na ye di hu agro so ya say de o na na oka no kwa guzo ate ye di hu agro e no say ya no mu bi ehunu amane pa monka ho asem na ema bi there be o say ya no mu bi hu ahomete pa na monka ho asem na eman bi ehunu amane nyame emwa ye nyina tina to say eman ni bi bre wan ya member bi no ede ade fa so no
should be able to speak up so your balance of so bi nya onufu kwambo ne so a ka je say crash we di mesra wa
ebe kwa wa kire no said enye no
painting na da ho no ma me nkyerɛ ho aba ko sɛ
painting we yeah I know about it
opening na onom no for no
yeah
yes sentencing
no prison
to prison sɛ anka ekom enku no
yeah
na ne baba ko pa no wo no eni ababa we obani unim sɛ ne am obi an konkosra no ka ne baba no na ne baba no so obekɔ a ye hwehwɛ ne hu nyina hu sɛ
onfa aduane bia na hwɛ no enti ne baba no so awo foforo ti sɛ okɔ sales wo na no yi ne nufu na fa na de anim no de
ama ne maame ne papa no no watwe ne mi nti ba boso me na ye chora papa yi na tese na no femfi ne bibia efu kama tese na o ne kala kra no na na ze wo mu hu ade kra se obi a oni dia ne ho ya na ye fe sanso mo under strict surveillance wo se obi a fa aduane mre na ne ade nti no nso mbetete ntom tete na se ne ba no
oba no ama na
oba no yi no fu ya to pani enum no atwi mu nsuo ni nyina empty barrel no
na mana awo foforo na
oh yeah
ne bad bon ho ne bad na wo se ne bad bon ne koko na de akọ prison
nti eno sa story no na de yes a painting ya wo hu nti nufo no e je se nye nkwala no nko ade a o de ase
se hu
openi yijeko anya penalty aye ka ho asem a referee timi hwe nyame anim mimi tumra no ma kiresi me ka yesi
otokode nge wa nya wa
ada na aba wan fama
otokode nge wa nya
ada na wan fama
referee esu radio station se wo krom anyina no
referee be ansem na okay
wa nya no
referee be na esu
na me ba kwaku kan
wo si referee bi esu referee be ana ye referee asem na aka
coach asem na me ka
obani mane jeko fa video ni to mpacho akwaku the say wa ma fair judgment
okay
se nya sisi ne sisi kin face afo a wo de hwe across posted in ball obi achi na chacha e ma ye gi penalty ma haso folk hwe wo de hwe ball no se nya penalty a
therefore mo mra Facebook no so na mo hwe bi
se wa je referee na
mo nyina mo judge why mo obi a hwe na on passing a judgment on this
wa je radio issue my mind here say
we jai radio here referee say
na say oji penalty here
o there be say ye hwe na ya analyze
ko kunye supporters na check penalty
atie for mo hwe ade na ho no
oje supporters na check penalty
na player na ya hwe no oguso ko no ko
ati referee na check penalty nye supporters
okay o da mo hwe
o da hwe ana mu di America di referee na chi no o da hwe ball no o da hwe ball ni din
scores
hwe taken from behind the crowd.
Dabi.
Red card.
Onu mom na okotwa you know. No. Enya na better am say they almost say, "Hwe, wo da hwe. Nya we na one friend no tackling from behind you.
Na making. Na make say red card cry. Red card. Wo butu na atona twene no afa ball no eko. Na referee su dia trem pe onye se bia referee ni ho.
Kwaku. Anya ye na ye penalty. Why?
Na kotokode ye na ye penalty. No na bet na ze zia ya.
Kwa me hwade nhwe.
Onye na adwo say
very beautiful tackling.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Onipa na onipa no so say
for the ball and he got the ball.
No. He went for the man.
Very beautiful.
Onipa na nya ho a watwa ni so say
man of the match. Man stop and kasa hwe. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Player no. Or
one dive
penalty back.
Come me na ya hwa de no nipa no twa no.
Hey,
have you watched from all angles? Triangle we so hwe.
Say ya na mo ya ebe wi akire no. Mo botogwe ka because eno me e beba mo so was ade we hu no.
Penalty.
Nice tackling.
Clear penalty.
Onya ball no. Okwa no wanya ball different. Onya ball kra na hold that.
Abrocho support team ben.
Me Barcelona na me pay.
Okay. Mate. Me da see
Obabesia Evelyn on cross it wasn't a penalty.
No, Obabesia on in
the come message the one.
Obia we so say clear penalty we now clear penalty. Clear penalty baby wo mu na ka na
do say no, it is not a penalty.
Penalty. Jerry is penalty. We say so
I don't penalty ni do so be
no penalty ba ko penalty waka
penalty so nya penalty referee na akọ na course kotoko na coach esu say yesisi no ho asema mo nka no kifesa o say dai
na asɛm a asie ɔpɛni wokɔ ɔboaseɛ no so asɛm bi si na ɔboaseɛ as good ɛne 11 wonders na ɛbɔ ɛna as good nya one goal unsa as good ɔmo coach wɔn apam no ɔmo nya one goal asɛ ɔmo nya one goal no information nya sɛ yɛ no ɔmo ka kyerɛ ball boys ne sɛ balls na ho park ne so nyina wɔn pɛ baabi mfɛngu iti ba ko pɛ no ɛkɔ akyira a sɛ yɛ mai yɛ fa we saa no delay time na akabe sima bɛ kakra bi ama ball na pon no na nkrofo nyame ncha de wɔn te ka no fena ɔmo good ball boys so ɔmo si
asan kofa balls no
nyame on proud
sɛ osi dua mu mokoku a
ebubo wan kasa na areho sem ba ko so sie one of the teams dwarfs ana say dwarfs ne Legon Cities openi om so match no first half na Legon Cities a sheka ba ko
asamoja Legon Cities
no ma sheka ba ko dwarfs intimate here say omu breachi yes omu ko break no first half no mu ko break no na supporters ni bi atimi awura dressing room referee ni dressing room wan ko no mo say so mu nim number yi bia mo ka ni ade a then na referee ni say brebra ma ni ama one medi ball no kra na akwa yesu
second half no kra
iti ball no second half no mamo
ya mo second
half no first half na abrupt end na referee si nyina na she dan uni abemo mo warning na si second referee wona uni nyanza
supporters that come as warning
yes it is once a minimum the GF for
the supporters nya access to the referee's dressing room
eno ni asema ye kan
just a kromo ye de bibia dia bro
e ba ye no after the almost say security for say that police fan no me say serving we say to me supporters na wo na omutimi guarantee the safety of
the referee
yes
I don't know so be di match ontimi ka say match ye born ye man kwahye
David no dey no be ye no be it born first half no mbo wie na no ano no
do I just say bomb match nya foforo
I wo born me foforo say and the see if there is evidence some pass supporters no threaten referee no more was evidence na I was here glass for no cry at the points in my room na yes I punish you
but there's no way that 12 people can stop the fans from going there it's you to make us what you yeah
Debbie ofo say Kumasi Sports Kumasi Sports Stadium any Accra Sports Stadium yeah enkrofo toto bo ne ade nsuo ba park so ya fight team no do fuzo otumfo anase ayi nana ya friends nana ya amponsa na ya asuma supporters oba kura nipa no has ni
and the broche you know mo ye
oba no ebi kura onye wo team no supporter but wa se jesi bi team
da bi ne wo ye kotoko na has for do mo nya you su kotoko and you su has ni ben advance bo ne bo a o come referee one you su kotoko play supporters and you say us to us teams be brewo kromu a when you be idea fan ko yes example
team be no mu use onyan pa team a na dey na violent we are saying
onyan ni kira ko fo use o ade na ma bafo jan bo sutro no
bafo jan be
ai asa mo jan ni bafo jan se so atamdidia na mo ko di ni Kumasi
ono we tight program we pa o
so o go bo sutro one di atem esin Kumasi ai as kotoko supporters kwaku aya na nse aya athletics de Ghana ya ncheda mfa ni serious sa so we sky de ma blasters na de aya na nse athletics no ya ncheda mfa ni se ya fa we but abrante ba ko a wa ya fa no Azamati nim se what in Canada
Benjamin or Bodjuma Bruta
very fantastic guy
or Bodjuma Bruta aqua with speed
and kwa kunya mi adomoli qualify for I think so 200 meters and relay no so and now qualify and Ghana for yemfa ye sunsum ni emoja nyina ntainachi afem panifon so mani sika ni bi so athletes no so kwaye mo musika and no story bi ameti the whole boxing federation so they say boxers say ko boxing boxers be yenu mo sensia ni amom say $5,000 say amom fa ko bo bra meanwhile so it be my player ba ko $10,000 winning bonus on kwa what you say it is kind of yes sports no football kwa na yes sports yemfa bi so amount crofo we no mo so omunyusu man crowd na ya reho Ghana for your at least be bra o man naturalize etuma other countries because of the way you treat you mo it a bit me ayenyom sa kuma me ma Ruby Ajman of Kelly, Texas. Happy Mother's Day.
You know, say
I be say with the Mother's Day there. Mother's Day there. Celebration happen.
Your first like I say, ma in boost herbal mixture, aka police in Edruno, papa na bibia timi atoto yi wo widium. Police in Edruno in boost herbal mixture. E patcho we no ye ntwen yare ansa ne anom. So yare o, so yare o, utimi nom. we are na free na talk crowd timi ron any ade a more immune system no ding ding then one fight against every infection any disease bia na fe so kra no yare bi hye ho kra wonya huye kra eno akwati asa yare ni na ahode ma patimi aba o system no emu available workings work about Equals Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Travel Judah Pharmacy, all talented and dependable bar shops across the country. Uber Room Health, Electro, St. John's, Zubio, and a Little George Health Shop. Yeah, and also a war, a year committee 5 time. I'll be near yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. And watching us did you from Royal Drinks, or say you go like them. Kama pa Ofie Kwanso Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Now available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, as well as Royal Cocktail. And any perfect flavors now in your temperature. Yeah, one month's account there. When the bedroom part, do pa no afraid 0262 351 251 and after 0272 133 373. Afeti May mu and gusu gina den na say the final stretch of the football season enu sem bebre na no say ye dey eba ni e wan so be stay connected with Go TV so no I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League and dey ekeka ho ni na wakoso atai with team na chi akopema we ye football la untimi nka se obebu ani agusu akwan bia so e utimi hwe na hunu dey ekro ne dey ba nyina. So connect from as low as 48 Ghana cedis while using my Go TV app. No? Now, I witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it. I don't want to say, Abuja Shamsa say, rent to own. I land this sometime. The planned city extension project, rent to own, now in Ghana. Imwayede, Nina say, rent to own. Land and houses, house ownership scheme here. Ningo Prampam District Assembly, Akofadia Bay, on any partners, and with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, any UN Habitat, Akabum Diabano, Imuyepa, so to me looky sharp, where you're smart. Now also don't ejim base and say where you live and trade, matter. Iti and they ube to me are only if ye. And a fully serviced commercial land or space. Very simple. No one say obey joining affiliate housing cooperatives. No, Cecilia. Now also any ultimate or rent your utility and kakra no. Not just say a bear kakra, wabe una, and no ababe or diana, I be doing some. About me apply Cecilia for the special, lifeline offer. No. Ebekwa kopima the 31st of October 2021 na chese abana wiye opeso ne yedin kita ho a 055 5530300 that 055 5530300 and of 0577 911 101 and a 0570 055 705 4635. The last number again, 055 705 4635. Website, newaccra.city. Newaccra.city. Planned City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Abusia, me basisi anamama wache de. Ni na say, unim say nei, Ghana's first fortified rice. Come pa ya epiemu Royal Aroma fortified rice maka wan sama chewa me be mo akwanya na mo afre me o frame me a me bisa questions be me ensa bi pe simple questions na udwini a watimi adi achede say benefit a yebenya ewo iron ye wo ye aduane imu no wonim say eno no eboa ye bad no e create hemoglobin. Yeah, no, eboa prevent anemia. Iron and sun weduma no. Na fe nutrients are and they yard Royal Aroma fortified rice no. Iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, B12. What I say? I just say ni na ewo mu bie. na you can balance diet cry na you patch this when say balance diet they not just say and only a diet consists of variety of different types of food that provide adequate amount of nutrients good for healthy so what yes and no simple terms na me mama not just say what to me about room na waje achede bi me trimu nye den sa tina me say mama one sense no na fe so cry no e ba no say the only rice fortified organ ha Obana utin dia na nim dia person oche because a royal aroma fortified rice. Na I'm father I can fridge. I'm father I can. Okay, there mama ma another tip back bia and also a very very hipa. And saying ni na say enei say ope nutrients back wa and also so etimi e boost immunity zinc member rain fear no what I say eti me banama bisa sa questions kakraka de afafa sanse mi ana me kaka yi hu ya na ma hwe omodin ba betimi abo wa che de ende buruja na majani nemu e de amount e wa hayi ya Adom 106.3 FM na kweku e wo Sarah Foods wo Tema Newtown or say happy Mother's Day do belated encore Emma Madam Beatrice Kwache yawo Dodua Presby School kweku se o show happy Mother's Day na afin so ye bohwi ni eboram e wo Hanover wo Germany so a ho na Evelyn e wo me aminua bema na Kwame ne wife na enei ne mano Rebecca and afi Ran omuna se omo e wo hye omo mame Evelyn happy Mother's Day do belated Evelyn Yamen kan ho na onfa NCE oma bibia don sabeka bia so enye nhira. All right, so yan trust on kwanim we say good evening. Please, today is the birthday of Dickness Janet Ajiman and Auntie Betty of Resurrection Power and Living Bread Alaji Tabura with Reverend Ufuriata and the family and chain omo ede wish mu nyina happy birthday. Abuja na me activate phone lines no na efre na me hwa chede a obetimi dia kofie.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedriano Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Kratwe, what Yatumu say.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Kwame, Jumerano no me who wacho. Unia say the printing Juma na say you can asam high into customers in Juma nego. In fact, a hard yankasa. Chale. Ba unia why adio into me to generator ke say Unia manto me rente why any generator express for ya when a himbium anointed electrical engineering services say rentals. Hey, Trese, we to our ton generator ni spare parts papa. Nessa on after sales services on Kronwa. Almost say rentals. Sa pepe. Anointed with generators and who do be bria. Now who in free 5 equals 1000 kV on the high. So omo so number 77 anointed house here. E wo malam wodoko kwan no so. Mo kumasenso anointed with city style dynamo e wa makom wo ben HFM. Na anointed nkrabate wo manyimu be bia so gusu bejuma. For hotline 0243 480 334. Anointed electrical engineering services. Still generate more before.
Mommy, today I'm upset.
With me?
I love you, Mommy, but it's my rice. It looks and tastes the same. There's no difference.
Let me tell you the difference, dear. Royal Aroma has introduced fortified rice that contains iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12. Which means the new Royal Aroma fortified rice may look and taste the same, but it has added essential nutrients.
And that's the difference.
More, try me high five. Naturally fragrant grains, great taste, and added nutrients. New Royal Aroma fortified rice. This advert is FDA approved.
I want to swaswomuno. Ghana Funina da adia bakwedi. Ayesenia yeshaya dase. Ye jibia emfa kwa mutum. Nanso, botane ya baku. Kadwe wichoko mawahuadia. Wote besha wadase. Ghana amamre kwanso. Every se, emfa hu bebi ya wobeko. Edano meri yeno. Yenyi nani ye pane se. Ahuadia ye deshe sa edafe feya selo. Ye benamso aswaba.
Shawudase Ghana amamre kwanso. Bebi edane du bedrubia. Ewa ahuadia wenye free kadwe wichoko. Ayedi Ghana Coco Papa Bina Ayenimu. FD Akisha say Jedin Kratwimo Adiatu say.
Wow. Hope you have heard rent to own now in Ghana. The Flan City Extension Project Rent to Own Land and House Ownership Scheme by the Ningo Prampram District Assembly and its partners, supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat, are right here in Ghana. So be smart because where you trade and live really matters. Apply now and own a home or a fully serviced land. Wait a minute don't forget to join our affiliate housing cooperatives also. Special offers last up to October 31st, 2021. Call us on 055 55 3300 or 0577 911101 and 055 7054 635. Website newaccra.city. Plant City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future.
Crosses papa, EBS, roofing papa fee. EBS, purchase papa fee. EBS, roofing papa fee. EBS, purchase papa fee. What's your name, you know? EBS, purchase papa. EBS, quality crosses. EBS, and I get you, guess you. EBS. Solve the problem. When it comes to roofing, everybody knows them. DBS, the best choice. So then if you want the best, fast, go there. DBS, roofing papa fee. DBS, purchase it, papa, roofing. DBS, roofing papa.
Fra DBS Industries Limited. And was 0240-844-444. DBS Industries Limited. Roofing Papa Fee.
Mensadia Michelle Shremini Papa, near Tenka Minya, and sign we a fen Nahana, so dear, a hear me pa, and to Mammy Fra, and on me did to me, ain't in a magic BS, and not soon precope. If we say a woman, one would ra, ya fra, Emma won near me nimpa, the sounds more to my kama, afibo, BS, any kuntama, and that was Wakomaso, Sankratway, FD.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors. Muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
You've been preparing for it. The final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry.
One of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derbies.
Devastating heartbreak.
He didn't get the goal there.
And historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh, girl, you looking so amazing.
Justice on Adom 106.3.
Oh yeah.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh, girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, your body's so amazing. And I don't wanna leave your side. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that.
Good day, Jerry. Please, a happy birthday going out to Samuel David Bedu Nyako of Church of Pentecost, New Botiano. May God bless him. I was saying, be a woman to Musesia, Frame. Now in Chawa there. Royal Aroma fortified rice. Let's go. 0302216561 0302216562. Call me now. Let's do this. First call already on the line. Hello. Good evening.
Hey, good evening, Black Jelly.
What's your first saying?
The from is Bright.
Bright.
Yeah.
Bright. Oh. It's rather unfortunate, sir. Bright and to me and you know. Charlie. Some way, darkness no. The brightness no soon could do. Some way. So we'll try now for your share say bit me a fire next caller. Na ya share. On also say obey me a pass it through. Very simple. Oh, me say questions no cry me baby say no. E ho answers near the adina. Medina cry mama for the dada. Simple question, just about a few of them. Then we're done. Auntie I say, I'm a watch it there. Now call baby. Very, 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 very simple. You know what I'm saying? So call me now 0302-216561. 0302-216562. Hello.
Hello.
Boss, Doom Radio, near Quenim. Your first saying?
Sarah.
Doom Radio, no one to Doom. Why?
Okay.
What's your first saying? Sarah Dane.
Sarah.
Okay. All right, Sarah. Our first question. Mommy, benefits of iron. You're doing iron. About we're doing more fast. What on your free to? Hello. Yeah. Whoa, Charlie. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
That's the same.
I'm Adom.
Now you're saying.
I'm from Akosia.
Oh, sister Akos. Akosia. No good many more as why. Okay, what's the benefit of iron in our diet?
It helps to produce more hemoglobin, which prevents loss of blood.
Yeah. Me sure say good many more. Young call second question why? You want nutrients be and you share Royal Aroma fortified rice. Me pacho nutrients be
Pacho iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12.
I am okay. Mommy, I call last one. Why? Now, you can balance diet and I saying.
So any diet it provided all the necessary nutrients.
What's your friend saying?
Akusia.
Oh, me feel why Akusia. Me feel too much. Akusia. All right, thank you so much, Akusia. You better trust. Right. You're from next caller. Hello.
Hello, Roger.
Yes, good evening. You're from saying.
I'm Gloria.
Gloria. Okay, so Gloria, our first question here. Rice Ben I had the only fortified rice in Ghana.
Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Okay, now you want nutrients be more they share Royal Aroma fortified rice in patcho nutrients ben.
Patcho iron, zinc, B12, B9 and B3.
Okay, now to your question way. The nutrients and a Royal Aroma fortified rice no and no eboama etimi e boost your immunity.
Zinc.
I'm melting. All right, that's it. Because we're here, but boy, pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? Very simple. Oh yeah, I'm but my bills, you're fine. Next one, right now. You're from Mary. Sister Son be a guy on my funeral. Now I'm in trouble. I want to be near Queen. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
What your friend saying?
That's why your friend is settling.
What's it?
Settling. That's right.
Ish.
That's right.
You. Me pacho. Our first question. Which nutrient and a Royal Aroma fortified rice more and no a boy in the creation of hemoglobin away in body num?
Zinc.
Me say hemoglobin no man can immunity.
Iron.
Miss me more sometimes. Okay, now then rice na the first fortified rice in Ghana.
Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Okay, mommy nutrients now a Royal Aroma fortified rice no.
Iron, zinc, vitamin 6, vitamin B6, vitamin B9.
Vitamin 6 now kind of translate them. You. Anyway, yeah, that's why.
That's weird.
I got vitamin 6. For last one. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What's your first saying?
Benedicta.
Hey, and May, anyway, someone I'm on. Now, rice Ben the only fortified rice for Ghana.
Royal
Aroma then.
Fortified rice.
I'm winning now, what? Now, Dio, the nutrients and the one Royal Aroma fortified rice ma and no a boost to your immunity.
Zinc.
All right, now nutrients na woman oboboni na amame.
Zinc, iron, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12.
Great. And that's it. I am fancy. I hate me for BM. Sister Sandy be a guy at Nase. Now your boy Ram. Now you're the filler. I saw you Jumedian so. That's what it is, y'all. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Hey Jay.
What's up, baby?
A wonderful.
You looking fly.
Oh, is it?
So who's a because of wine fan wash a day? So me and then they are two from Boko, me and then my cool. Look at me. I mean cool, you know what I'm saying?
So brother, because they are two from Kanye, you wish see.
And I'm a fan of cool, you know.
TV who could tell one seven. Could TV me get said you man. It means me get said you man, and TV and creme and no can I maybe can say sound so fine. That's
you matter.
Pass it down, what's my TV or the old farm?
You catch on them, made a better for me and Boko.
Maybe I guess you have reception. What's I mean?
Yeah.
They was a bread and it top you and found for grams. Who nothing I make already. Oh, because of you on there, baby. I see Hazara, my back home.
Sister Sonny be a guy.
I forget I don't know why.
I do be fine.
Mother's Day, Nanny, you go.
And then happy Mother's Day to you.
Oh, David, men Yanisa. Whenever for those men Yanisa.
Oh, now.
Means me, happy Mother's Day already. So, sir, I didn't know more to channel. Miss me, be some question. Not true, me.
Oh, there's no need to ask you a question. You know what I'm saying?
When no man dey catch me pack Rabani, Mother's Day, me need your day, but I can see you.
Yeah, me too.
Mother's Day, no. Maba me be any omo ye adwuma wa Adom. Lady D. Diamond Tra na efia man kwata makru. Na che say amanfo hu ono mo antia na nopa. Enya akwanya na ne omo tena se. Ye bisa omo maame nom. Nsimfa bebre. Na me no wo che say o maame ho en na te se wa kwaku a woti ho no. Because o maame ho en na se Instagram page very private. Who him some akwa chia bani nya menya.
Wenya. Yeah.
Ndi how menya.
Say na enra na manfo bi se me. Na
menya.
Cheza mu da mu na ma twen amotwen se me dia ma fem ma beto na ma we mu nya botre.
Ma ya me.
Me no bon koma. Ono me no ye ntwen for Mother's Day. Every day there Mother's Day between me no.
It's no dia wa kan story.
Oh me there.
Because me bisa no,
you see if you man kwa ma me say. Who say me no maka my stories need be my share with the listeners, but you see this particular one there, share dan share.
And you share in
there was a time, me a colano, na me a colabon, na me hadri, and then my can at your phone name say me na me hadri.
Oh wow,
na ye kase obi hadri e o chichi me ba me na me science someone like me I did what me coffee chifichi there, me say I did me causing troubles all the time. And there was one day, nsuo to heavy pa. Who say afre nsusuan.
Okay.
Nsuo to na afa nam gata mu ko gidigidi no. Nsuo ni to pa. And I was with my mother. And na osan my sister so san ehye na chika ho. And na na sense nsuo ni to gidigidi ntino. We stood somewhere na ye twen na nsuo no ejai na yakọ. Nsuo ni to wie ye no. And na mommy ene ye ko nti me nam no okura me nsa na ye du ba bia ye fa small wooden ade bi no de ato gata no so na ye tra gata na ko the other side na ensuo na nam gata no no gidi na etwam with force na e besen akọ kwaku nsemone mikita me ma me kita me nsa na me do me de me nan testing ensuo na ye gidi na hwese ye zia and was a full current in so
the force
and then so the force shame and knife fear shame me mammy some a share gata mu no nsu na me mame the only thing I heard was obi mu am nsu de me ba na call like she was screaming
also that would you do
and nsu de me nam gata mu na good dem call and no am tihwibiem. So the next thing, not knowing there was a man at the other end or tea some mammy tiatim since you in the banner call and a papa be see gata will be ginam or got a more as he honor and me bano and I may be pim 1 and 9 or ye me if he soon. Hey. And yes, I can swear and the make to got a casim de me coy. Can I go your justice? Quite a mine. It's or didn't bury mammy. The woman was shaking, my mom was shaking on all dapper panas or dapper panas. Charlie, I said now, my mom felt say it was her fault. Now once so me mudding. A man should be Jimmy Quinty. We be do feel no catch me, papa. And then some we see, then my father was like, then also now me in my mind, me said the meal I'm a cause. Now why did me jina one? And I could see the whole day. Me mammy basa Charlie. As one so we so wow was what thing. I say no these and many more stories. And I no pay Lady D ne fianso share mo na afia ma me chim how afia free Kumasi call go so so what is a beer radio station for well Lady D ma me su chim I mean it's all joy say na no mo man na ba bedroom pempen so say Jerry Justice na ti en sure de kwan come be nya be me eti mommy I mean show bonidi na chi anima oh I'm from Papa original oh papa on the I mean show na happy Mother's Day too obi bia ma me no adwuma wa high papa Bills African J Towns Jeku and I did new kikabumi J-Town because of Fedin just ya to the Hamza and I did no head Hamidu or Jamestown Jeku papa share Jamestown Jeku original share it's about mothers. All right. And the stories, baby. And if your mommy, Nana window. Ono Chima, I know a camera woman, the first camera woman. I heard that one, yeah. Or Yama, ex former first lady, Nana couldn't do my Rollins. And Jerry D's and many more are the stories that they be Kasi a Pesayeti. Yeah. And yet you'll be running to Honey, you know, I'll bring you many more of that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm out of here. Yeah, baby. So that was fella. Sister son be a guy. And the bread. And first was that my Vodafone. Vodafone said there's an energy inside us all. That makes art and music. That pushes science. That overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, our society, so we can discover what's best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. Open more. Just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. All right, so just a quick one for them, Nafi and Twaso. Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our Keska. Nanso charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me ati. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yeta we send this ka free with network no so. Akwa network foforo no. Eno so yeta na emum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And so you're free. Masa into work at them. What does so you then was sour network and no move for bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musisi. I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says in the send this. Radio Pro
Promotion. Every 17th May, Equasi 29th May, Giant Tech Limited, and your free cleaning. And my LG products remove. And to sell what LG refrigerators, LG air conditioners, and LG washing machines are. For bro, you be cleaning them free. Shusha Giant Tech Limited and one grind. Speedtex Road, you will oka de kwechi pay. And our friend was 0550 780 779. And our toll free, it was 0800 515 515. And Shusha Kakra ho. Giant Tech Limited, care and delight.
Tune it in, turn it up.
That's right, it's checkout time already. Time to make way for the news at 6 on Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's been nice coming your way with the Monday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Many thanks to you for joining us. From 3 p.m. DBC Sabre. And then thanks to the team, Papa Bills Africa, to James Town, J. Cole, to the National Pofwe J, my man Kwame Obadi, and of course, my girl sister Sandy B. A guy. Your friend Jerry Justice, Miss Lamitino Jim Chiame, your friend Jerry Justice, memory review.